Hi, everyone. My name is Jackie. I work as an extended school day educator for Cornell Cooperative Extension. Some of your children may know me from the Brazier Falls, Lisbon, or Norfolk school districts. The presentation I'm about to share is intended for school-age children, but all are welcome to join in. If you have any questions about starting seeds, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. At the end of the presentation, I offer to send seeds to anyone that may need them. I would first like to prioritize sending seeds to students, but if you do need seeds, please email me and I'll do my best to fulfill all the requests. Enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Hello, and thank you for joining me for the presentation, Gardening at Home, Lesson 1, What is a Seed? From Cornell Cooperative Extension. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. All of the seeds in this photo are for plants that I grow in my garden in Norwood. Some might look familiar to you. Some are for flowers, but most are for vegetables. No matter what shape or size the seed may be, every seed has the same basic parts. There are 3 basic parts in every seed: the seed coat, the embryo or baby plant, and stored food. What does the inside of a seed look like? This is a lima bean seed that was soaked in warm water, then carefully split open. The seed coat is the outside of the seed. Just like the coat you wear, the seed coat protects the inside of the seed. You can see the small baby plant called an embryo curled up under the seed coat. Can you see the little leaves? The rest of the material that can be seen is the stored food that helps the embryo start to sprout. Can you label the parts of the seed? What is part A? Part A is the stored food. What's part B? Part B is the embryo or baby plant. And what's part C? Part C is the seed coat. How do the seeds know when they should start growing? A seed needs 3 things in order to start germinating, another word for sprouting or growing: water, warmth, and air. Since seeds are made with some food built in, they don't need any nutrients or fertilizers. They also don't necessarily need soil, but it is the most efficient way to grow sprouts. The sprouts in this photo are kale sprouts and were planted less than a week ago. They were planted in seed sprouting mix in the lid of an egg carton. You can see some cracks in the potting mix. That is okay. Because we didn't pack down the potting mix, it allows air to move through the tiny spaces left in the container. We will talk more about this next time when we plant seeds together. Let's grow together. If you would like to grow some plants with us over the next few weeks, you'll need a few things. First, potting soil. A small bag from any local store is usually under $5. Make sure you get a bag that says something similar to seed sprouting mix. Second, a container for potting. You can use small pots you already have, cardboard containers from the store, or something as easy as an egg carton. Third, someplace warm and sunny to put your container. You will also want a pan or tray to put your containers on to catch any water that drips out. And lastly, seeds. Next week, we will plant our seeds together and get growing. If you would like me to mail you seeds, please have an adult email me your mailing address. My email address is jtc292@cornell.edu. I will be sending green bean seeds and spinach seeds. Spinach can be grown indoors in any container that is about 6 inches deep. Green beans will have to be transplanted or moved outside in about 5 or 6 weeks. Check back next week for Lesson 2 in the Gardening at Home series. Thanks for joining me for this presentation from Cornell Cooperative Extension of St. Lawrence County and 4-H.